Selapit ya yang punya
Because I make it very fast. And it's much
ano lang
better.
yan guys. Lalo lang surat guys.
And the quality of course.
Lihat surat kasi sa luwa ya. Alis ikaw na. Bang! Awas na kayo niya. Aduh.
Can I have tissue?
Motor tang.
Enggak, ini mau guys.
Tang.
Guys, sama kalian. Oke guys, kembali. Oke guys, ini lihat surasnya ya. Tuh. Terus lihat lapis. Oke. Tuh. Lihat dulu ya guys. Tuh ya. Tuh. Oke, ini ada fotonya juga banyak. Tuh, bisa lapis. Mobil lah, nanti 1 minggu lagi ya. Tuh. Very good. Nice.
Nah kemarin kan bulan puasa.
Kalau boleh kita kuliner, kayak lihat.
Sebelah.
The chicken, it was so much work.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ya, tinggal lapar. Tuh.
This one is very simple, very fast.
Yeah. And you can keep the quality.
Yeah. If we are busy,
Yeah.
Now, I can sell until 8 o'clock. Then my adonan is already very hot outside. It's like absorb the water, much water. So the quality. We will make a churro, but it's a little different. It's still okay, but the perfect one is
Kayak lihat, ada lihat kuliner juga ya. Nice.
get busy and I finish this. I can go rank churros and make the adonan at the same time.
Ini, kalau lihat surat. Ini mau dihati sama kita tapi udah mau pindah guys ya. Kayak malam saatnya ini mau pindah guys.
Yang lagi kenceng tuh kayak 600, 700, 1300 lah. Bang, naiknya apa? Bentar nih parkir dulu. Atau bang yang kemarin juga bentar.
Wah, ada yang kasih tahu. Ngomong amat.
Kan itu dia jalurnya VIP, lo nggak bayar sama gua.
Bodoh amat. Guys, ini saya buat saja ya.
Only the next one. Este man, tawar. So why we take 3,000 6 times.
Yeah.
27.
3,006 times 80. Okay. Yeah.
3.000.
Correct. Yeah, only 21.
Itu bayar apaan?
Ini nggak boleh dibayar sama dia. Ini no.
No, it's okay. David,
It's alright.
no, it's okay.
Kasih dong, dan ada tuh. Kasih enter. Jangan.
Kan seminggu lagi udah datang lagi.
Iya.
Tapi di depan mesti
As soon as possible, no? As soon as possible.
Thank you, Mr. David.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
You're waiting for the good
Maybe
news.
later we will have your
Yeah,
okay?
I will let you know, Okay,
Oke guys, terima kasih ya. Ini David ya, nanti mau pindah ya.
Sorry.
Jadi mau review tapi kita nggak jadi karena Mr. David mau pindah nih. Ya. thank you. Oke ya, guys. Saya pamit ya.
Kang motor Kang.
Motor. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam saya. Wabillahi taufiq Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.